we recognize too that we have to have vaccines in order to provide booster shots. Cabinet would have taken a decision that from this month that the Ministry of Health should put the necessary systems in place to commence booster shots. And we have also asked the technical committee to look at that issue and to authorize the booster shots for vulnerable individuals and individuals who are high risk in terms of the exposure to COVID, especially those who are working in our health institutions. So we, obviously we have to make sure that we continue to boost individuals with these COVID shots, because we know that after a while the immunity wanes. And when you look at the more deadly strains that are emerging, to include the Delta strain that has created a major problem for us here in the Caribbean, we just have to continue to get our people to take these booster shots. And the Ministry of Health will determine which groups they'll start with. But eventually, we will expand the different groups. But I presume they will start with individuals who would have completed 6 months, and vulnerable individuals, individuals over 60 and over, and those with underlying conditions. I presume those are the ones who they will start to give the booster shots, because we cannot be too generous with booster shots in that we still have about 25,000 people unvaccinated. They remain a priority. And I hope we can at least get maybe 15,000 of those adults vaccinated minimum, so that we can get up to about 80% of our population eventually. And on that basis, we'll be able to, let's say, restore some level of normalcy and to move forward with greater predictability.